So these bedsides, they have some strong adhesive right in this area through the wheel well.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, while I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona, I do this for real. I'm hungry, success is the dinner, and greatness will come with the meals. Oh, I said come with the meals. Mean I get money to blow, mean I get watches and diamonds, and that's what I'm doing. Just so you know.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop, I have a Ford Edge here, has a messed up quarter panel. So I just about have this one all wrapped up. My bumper cover fits nice, the door lines up nice. I'm gonna go ahead and send this one over to our paint department and let them prime that quarter panel and rear bumper up, and then I will block the primer a little later after they get it primed up. So I am down here in our aluminum shop. I have a F-150 bed that's messed up here. It's gonna get a new bedside torn up in this corner real good. And then it also gets these corner pieces, goes in here. This is going to be the outside one, goes in there something like that, and then this is the inside one, and it goes like that. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start cutting this one apart, get the bedside and these side pieces cut off. So these bed sides, they have some strong adhesive right in this area through the wheel well. So I'm going to heat it up to get it to release so I can lift this bed side off. Well, I got this bed side all cut apart. All these side pieces are all cut out. I will go ahead and I will start fitting both of these pieces up tomorrow. I'll get them prepped out and start fitting those up, get the tailgate and everything fitting correctly, and get those in. Then I will dive into getting the bed side on. But that's a wrap for the day. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.